How's it feel, Kevin? How's it feel to be a purple belt? So pretty crazy morning. I think this will be the last time I'm going to be a blue belt stepping into the gym. We're having belt promotions today, and the coach actually told me that I need to get promoted. So it's kind of cool. I don't want to say anything because just in case I don't get it, it'll be really, really embarrassing. But he already gave me the verbal okay. Something I think about is like most people quit at blue belt. Just knowing that I'm not most people, and I've been getting better after all these years, moving to the new place, leaving my old gym and stuff, man, it hits another milestone for me, which is crazy.
What would you say is the biggest differences that you noticed in my game since a few years ago? And you can be very honest too.
Well, I noticed a willingness to play offshoots, like a bit of X guard, which is like the best. X guard is the best sweeping and leg entry guard, so it's more of a position than a guard. But a willingness to if you want to play guard, you're like cool. And, I think you used to use your weight on top and trying to smash people more, and now you're like really a guard player. So using dogfight down, I'm happy I can still twist through here.
So that's so interesting.
I hate to say it, but I'm actually more proud of my purple belt versus like my pharmacy degree, if that makes sense. Because yeah, the pharmacy degree, it's cool and all, you get the doctorate title and all that, but it's all vanity metrics, right? Like at the end of the day, like with Jiu-Jitsu, it's way harder. It takes a lot more work, takes a lot more strategy. I feel like I've been a better person through Jiu-Jitsu and just like a better business owner and better Kevin in so many freaking ways, you know? Whereas like pharmacy, yeah, I learned how to study, I learned how to memorize things, I learned how to, the professionalism, and there was a lot of small skills I learned in that. But the life skills I learned through Jiu-Jitsu are indescribable. And it's crazy, people usually say that once you're a purple belt, you're kind of like a professional Jiu-Jitsu person now. And I've just seen my game evolve, and recently I've just been taking it really, really seriously, watching DVDs, instructionals by Faraz Sahabi, and just playing all these games. I got so excited last night I couldn't really sleep, and now I'm up. And it was probably the Cafe Soda I drank right before at like 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon by accident. I still haven't slept. And it's not really going to change anything because your jiu-jitsu is still your jiu-jitsu, right? But it's just like a huge milestone that I've hit, and I've seen so many people who I've been training longer surpass me. Oh, another thing I want to talk about too. I guess I'm like better than ever in terms of jiu-jitsu, but I feel like I know so little and I've only scratched the surface. I'm just learning like what I really don't know. It's a very unique feeling. There's like an always endless amount of details that you'll learn. I'm like learning how to learn at this point, which is ridiculous. What if I push this way all the way full force? Or what if I extend this way? What if I put my hips closer? Like it's all these small details that you learn through jiu-jitsu that is everything. So when I wasn't doing too hot with my business, when I first came to Vegas, when I moved into my uncle's house, when I basically downsized everything, because I was bleeding a lot of money, girl broke up with me and all that, and you guys kind of know that story. At the time, I really did not have much to look forward to. I don't think I've really talked about this that much, but I was like probably passively like ideated. Jiu-jitsu was the only thing I really looked forward where I could see myself like improving every single day and stuff like that. Even though I knew I was growing like my skills with the business, and even though everything's good now and I have a bunch of high tickets and I have so many great things in my life, it wasn't always like this. The jiu-jitsu was that one thing that kept me going and kept my mind strong, because like I was getting beat in the business world, but then I was getting dominated in the jiu-jitsu world too. It's just whole sentiment in my heart. But I will say the one thing that has not changed about like jiu-jitsu for me is honestly the fact that I never want to compete. Like, I don't ever intend on competing. It's a high-risk sport, and like, why risk it? Especially with people throw Kani Basanis at you, heel hooks and all that. I don't really feel that need for competition or the high ego to prove my worth, since I do so many other masculine things. But the one thing I always really enjoy with jiu-jitsu is the aspect of learning, expanding my game, and also like teaching. I really found out that I really love coaching and teaching, and I think it'd be really, really cool one day to be like, hey, damn her, right? Or like just want to watch game, analyze game. Just like some of these high level black belts. There's those great practitioners, but for me, I just love the game. It's just really, really fun. And I think with the digital age, you can make money with anything. Like literally my old jiu-jitsu coach, I went to his birthday like just last week, right? He's a 10 planet black belt at HQ. He makes a crap ton of money now just through jiu-jitsu, and it's becoming more of a trend. So I feel like, both business, life, having those games that you just enjoy just playing. And for me, it's like jiu-jitsu. It's really great.
Loyalty is a lot, and it's very hard to get these ones. I think like blue belt is still like a casual, like you're like, oh, I'm professional belt ranks are purple belts. Like when you made purple, you're like, man, my ACL's blown out, but like I'm too far in to quit. I might as well just see it all the way through to black belt. So now I'm gonna make some purple belts now. So this guy helps me a lot. Talk about technique. He opens up pathways for me to learn myself. He studies just about as much as any parent. Kevin, come get your purple belt.
How's it feel, Kevin? How's it feel to be a purple belt?
I feel like I don't know anything, but I feel like it's amazing, man.
Now, you've been in the game a long time. How long have you been training?
Dude, seriously, since 2018. And even before that, I was so lazy. I was such a lazy white belt. 2013. That's why I started jiu-jitsu.
Good stuff, man. Well earned. It's a much deserved belt. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much for VIP for filming. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you.
A few moments later.
It's good, bro. You're a purple belt now. You should be fucking waxy.
I want to still be a blue belt, but what a super genius.
You got the size, you got the strength, you're better looking, you're a purple belt now. Should be fucking waxing this dude.